would have to say that my husband and I grew up very similarly. He is a super, super hard worker. I'm a really hard worker. I think that attracted us to each other. When we got married, it was okay that I was working, but after our daughter was born, he's like, it's time for you to stay home. Anytime we needed extra money, I'm not kidding you, that man, he would find work. Sometimes it was 2 different jobs, and this was just to make ends meet. It wasn't until we had a meeting with a financial advisor that we were actually identified as poor. You're blessed. You're blessed all the time. God's always providing a need. And until you sit down to try to do better for your future and somebody tells you there's no margin, she goes, you're the first client I've ever had that I don't know how to fix this for you. And here we are just going on with life like it's all good. And so that was the first time we were told we were poor. I started looking for ways to help more. I had saved up enough money to enroll myself back into school to become certified in natural health. It was then I was introduced to an amazing opportunity. It aligned with everything that I was learning in school. This opportunity gave me that vision to change our circumstance. I want what I have today to carry me into the next 20 years. My business is to help other women exactly like I was in my situation, to help other people feel better, have more margin in their life, not worry about their future. I love what I do. There's a reward for all of the work that you've put in. When you can help somebody see their own potential and reach it, it is like none other than anything you can experience. My name is Wendy, and this is my story.